If your staff is getting fingerprinted at TRACE2 Biometrics, they need to complete this form before they arrive. Get it wrong, and their appointment gets canceled. This is the complete walkthrough of the Illinois Live Scan Consent Form. This guide is for nurses, physicians, and any healthcare worker completing Illinois Live Scan fingerprinting. We will cover every field, what to write, what not to skip, and the one mistake that trips up almost everyone. Before you fill anything out, you will need three things: a valid government-issued ID, your Social Security number, and your ORI number, which we will cover in detail. Section 1 is personal information. Start with your full legal name exactly as it appears on your government-issued ID. This is not optional. Any mismatch between this form and your ID will flag your submission and could result in rejection. Below your name, enter your date of birth, sex, and race. These should match what is on your ID. The next row asks for height, weight, hair color, and eye color. These are the physical descriptors the Illinois State Police uses to process your submission. Your Social Security number is required for the background check. It is confidential and handled securely. If you do not have a Social Security number, call us before your appointment. We will walk you through your options. Place of birth. If you were born in the United States, write your state. If you were born outside the United States, write your country. Then add your current phone number where we can reach you if there is a question about your submission. Now, the field that causes the most problems, the ORI number. This is not something you fill in yourself. The ORI is your employer or licensing agency identifier assigned by IDFPR. Your employer or the hospital you work for should give this to you. If they have not, call TRACE2 before your appointment, not after. A wrong ORI number means your submission goes to the wrong agency. That is a full rejection. The purpose code is also provided by your employer or your licensing body. Leave it blank and your submission gets rejected. If you are not sure what yours is, call us. When you arrive, bring your valid government-issued ID and your completed consent form. Do not sign this form before your appointment. Our technician will verify your identity first, then you sign in front of them. Signing in advance invalidates the consent. The fingerprinting itself takes about 5 minutes. After your appointment, TRACE2 submits your prints to the Illinois State Police. You will receive a TCN, a transaction control number, by email. That number tracks your submission through the system. Most background checks complete within 3 to 5 business days. To schedule fingerprinting for yourself or your team, call us at 773-494-2211 or visit trace2biometrics.com. We serve Chicago and the surrounding suburbs.